After a night of grazing on land, these hippos return to spend the daylight hours in the cooling waters, and the barbel come to meet them. Soon, each hippo is trailed by a shoal of fish, waiting for their breakfast. Hippo droppings. But it's not just the hippo's dung the fish are interested in. When the hippos reach one particular spot in the pool, they stand still and wait, and the fish start to clean them, removing ticks and parasites and other tasty morsels. To the fish, the hippos are a mobile cafeteria. The hippos seem to be enjoying the sensation.